So less input, more output. You used to have 2:4 decoder. So decoder used to be 2:4 or 3:8. So you used to have less number of input and more number of output. That was decoder. So it was encrypting the data, or it was what you can say. It was decoding the data. Okay. So encoder is just opposite of it. It will have more input and less output. So if you just to see the block diagram, in decoder you used to have your n to n input to 2 to the power n output, right? Now you will have just opposite of that in encoder. You will have 2 to the power n output and 2 to the power n input and n output. Okay, so it is just opposite of decoder. So whenever in communication system or wherever you use encoders and decoder, it will be like you will be decoding the data at the transmitter end, and the data will be encoded at the receiver end. Okay, so encoder will be converting one binary code to another, and as I already told, it is just opposite of decoder. And generally in decoder you had more number of output line, but in encoder you will be having more number of input line than the output line. And as I already shown in the diagram, encoder you will have 2 to the power n input lines and n output line. So it will always have output with only single active bit, the way you used to have input single active bit in decoder. Just to make it very simple, I will show you the circuit of 4:2, not circuit, block diagram of 4:2 encoder. Okay, so you can see 2 to the power n. So in this case, my n is 2. So you have two output. We will call it as Y0 and Y1 output, and you will have 4 input. So it will be X0, X1, X2, X3. Okay, and how the truth table will look like? I am making 4:2 encoder. I am making 4:2 encoder. Later, I want you to make 8:3 encoder in the same form, the way I am making 4:2 encoder. So how the truth table will look like? Truth table will have your input and your output. Okay, input will have X0, X1, X2, X3, and Y0, Y will output will be having Y0 and Y1. Okay, and as it is a encoder, you should have, how many rows will be there? Tell me. How many rows will be there? You people already know decoder, so you should be able to tell me. By the time you answer, I will only complete, I guess. Okay, so when all output used to be 0 in decoder, what your input used to be? It was not enabled only, no? Remember?
0.
Don't care.
Yeah, don't care. It used to happen only when your decoder was not enabled. So in this case, if all the inputs are 0, means it's not in a working state. It's not in a working state. So we say that output is high impedance. Output is high impedance. Okay, that means it is not in working state. Output is high impedance. Okay, I will write it cleanly again. It is impedance. High impedance. Okay, now if X0 is high and rest all are 0, then what do you think output should be?
Zero, 1.
Yeah, 0, 1. And then for next one, it will become 1, 0. Next one, okay, no. If it is X0, if it is
It should be 0, 0.
Yeah, right. X0 means it will be 0, 0. X1 means it will be
0, 1.
0, 1. X2
0,
1,
1.
0.
1, 1.
Yeah,
1, 0.
correct. So you got it?
1, 1.
Now, can you quickly tell me the equation for this? What will be y0 equation? And what will be y1 equation? Do you want K-map for this? Even if you want to make K-map, see, I will tell you, people get confused for encoder. I will tell you the most important thing here. If you want to make a K-map, K-map should have all the 16 possibilities if you have four variables in your input. So in this variable, I have in this input, I have four variable. But what you can see, I have listed here only 5 cases, 0, 8, 6, 2 and 1. Rest all are don't care for this y0 and y1 output. So even if you try to make a K-map by making for y0 and making all the rest of the input as don't care, you will get the same equation which we will do without making a K-map. So y0 is high for which all cases? Only 2 cases. Y0 is high for when x2 was 1 and y0 is also high when x3 was 1. So how the equation will be written? Equation will be simply written as y0 is x2 plus x3. Did you understand this? It is just x2 plus x3. Even if you try to make K-map, which you can try and see at your level, and then you will see it is x2 and x3 only. Okay. Now coming on to y1. Coming on to y1, what will be the equation? Tell me. Y1 equation.
Could you explain how do you get x2 plus x3?
See, y0 column, can you see?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
y0 column, you have 1 for 2 cases. And never I told it is active low anywhere. It is all active high only because this is your first circuit of encoder. First block diagram of encoder. I don't want to confuse. I have made it as active high. Everything
Yes,
is
ma'am.
active high here. Active high means now you should see output column. Y0 column you should see. When you see y0 column, you can see only 2 places 1 is there. And now you have to make an equation for this y0. So you need to see that y0 is 1 for which all cases. So y0
Yes,
is
ma'am.
1 for this third row, actually fourth row, and y1 is also 1 for fifth row. So we have to see what was the condition. Y0 was high for this when your x2 was high. So y0 becomes equal to x2 here because rest
Yes,
all
ma'am.
are 0, 0. And y0 is also high for this x3. So we can write it as x2 plus x3. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. And y1 will
y1
be
equals to
x1 plus
x1 plus
x3.
x3.
Correct. Y1 is x1 plus
Yes.
x3. Okay. So this is how you can write equation for a encoder. Now this is your first circuit only. Okay. Now with this small first circuit, I will also tell you about the priority encoder. We have something called as priority encoder. So now you write the next topic name as 4 to 2 priority encoder. 4 to 2 priority encoder. Okay. Or shall I do priority encoder today or not? Okay, I will try to explain with this. I hope you people will understand. Now I am updating your truth table. Okay, I am updating your truth table for priority encoder. Now priority means what? You can either give priority to LSB or you can give priority to MSB. Now, if I give priority to MSB, if I give priority to MSB means I am giving priority to this X3 case. Okay, of course to see here it is ulta, but you can always write the truth table as X3, X2, X1, X0 also. Okay, okay, let me make it a different way so that you people don't get confused. I will write it again. Priority encoder. Okay, now if I write X3, X2, X1, X0, because it is just the name. Okay, it is just the name. I want to show you about the priority encoder with respect to MSB. Okay, now if I want to give priority to MSB means that if your suppose the first case of course will remain same, 0, 0, 0 means it will be high impedance state. Okay, it will be high impedance state only. And next, I will be giving importance to X naught only if all rest are 0. All rest are 0. Then your output will be as always 0, 0. Okay. Now comes the priority case. I am giving priority to MSB. MSB priority giving means what? Now, if suppose for example, x1 is also 1 and x0 is also 1. If x0 is also 1 and x1 is also 1 and I am giving priority to x1 means what will happen? Output should be a 1. Even your x0 was 1, but I did not give importance to it. So I will say that I am giving priority to MSB because 1 is higher significant bit than 0. So I gave a priority to 1 and this I considered as rounding. Now let it be 1 or 0, I don't bother. Output will be 1 if x1 is 1. Now you can see x1 is 0, 1 is coming only if the other higher bits are 0, 0. If other higher bit starts becoming 1, priority will be given to that. Now, for example, if I make x2 as 1 now and x3 is 0, now I will not give any priority to down 2, x0 and x1. So, they both will become a don't care and it output will be 1 and 0. Last, if my x3 is 1, then I will, whether all the other 3 are 1, 1, 1, does not matter. Priority goes to x3. If priority goes to x3, output will be 1 and 1 only. And all the down 1 will be considered as a don't care. Did you understand the logic of priority? Priority means in this case, I am giving priority to MSB. So if
Yes,
X2,
understood, ma'am.
MSB, yeah, if X2 is MSB, now whether X1, X0 both are 0, not 0, whatever it is, we will not bother only. But if X2 is 1 and higher than that, MSB of that is 0, then Pakka output will be 1, 0. But if both X3 and X2 both are 1, 1, then the priority will be given to X3 and output will be 1, 1. This is the logic of priority encoder. There is many more things with respect to priority encoder, which we will see in next class because today's class time is over. Okay, we will see more on priority encoder in the next class.